Alright guys, welcome to hopefully a fun unboxing. Let's see what we got here. This box felt really heavy when I was trying to open it. Sometimes kids don't open boxes the way I open boxes. It's so dangerous. Ooh, exciting stuff. Oh my goodness, these are like super heavy glow sticks or something. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Look at that. There's a big warning sign on the front here. Risk of suffocation. Plastic bag, films, and so on and so forth. Anyway, it's supposed to be, it's kind of fun how it says warning, and then down here it says non-toxic. I mean, interesting, conflicting messages. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.
Likey.